We are about to pass through. And Aurora. The RMT Union's favourite train. Apparently they think it's dangerous. It's 810-022. On the service bound for London St Pancras. Yep, RMT. They're striking at the moment because of flipping safety things about some reset on the 810s. And exactly what solution do the RMT have to sort it out? Because I haven't seen them come up with it. Morons. And the latest rounds of strikes as well. Today is the 22nd of August. The next strike has been announced for the 30th of August, 31st of August, 16th of September. Oh no, my birthday. And don't take the mick out of it in the comments to all you lot that love sucking up to the unions. And the 17th of September. Here's the problem there, right, everyone? One of these was less than the minimum notice of 14 days. And if you think I'm a liar, go and check the calendar. Thank you all for listening to this rant here on the Reubsta second channel now. Do the decent thing and bog off. Goodbye.